Question 4. Abdallah planted 10 seedlings in his garden, but it rained overnight and the snails ate some. The next morning, he only had 8 seedlings left. How many seedlings did the snails eat? This question is about seedlings. Seedlings are very young plants that are still very soft and juicy, and snails love to eat them. There are 2 parts. The part that the snails ate, the seedlings that are inside the snails' tummies, I'll do them in blue. And then there are the seedlings that survived and didn't get eaten by the snails, and I will do those in green. The whole I will do in black. Abdallah planted 10 seedlings in his garden. The 10 seedlings is my whole. But it rained overnight and the snails ate some. This is my first part. It's the part that the snails ate. They ate some. It's unknown. The next morning, he only had 8 seedlings left. This is the other part of 8 seedlings that we do know. How many seedlings did the snails eat? So the unknown is how many they ate. I know the whole and I know one part. My other part is unknown. I'm going to use this plan. Whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 10 subtract the part I know of 8 will equal the part I don't know. 10 subtract 8 equals 2. The snails ate 2 of the seedlings. I can check my equation. I will do the part that is 8 so as I can see it nice and clearly without counting. There's the 8 seedlings that were left. Here's the part that the snails ate, and I'll pop them there, and I can see the green part of 8 and the blue part of 2 make the whole of 10. So my subtraction equation's correct. The last thing I need to check is the question. How many seedlings did the snails eat? The snails ate 2. And I write that next to the question mark. I could have also used this plan by thinking about the unknown part of how many the snails ate, add the part that I did know, the seedlings that were left, would equal the whole of 10. And 2 add 8 equals 10. So that plan will have also got me 2.